Hi, welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating that little bit easier. This week's 2 Minute Tuesday, we're making edible sand. So if you've got any cake scraps left over, don't bin them, just simply pop them onto a bit of greaseproof paper on a baking sheet. Then what we're going to do is pop them into a medium oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So we're going to stop the clock at this point. And start the clock again. Now we've taken the cake out of the oven and let it cool slightly. And all what we're going to do now is pop it in a food processor. And pop the lid on. And then keep doing it in pulses until you get the consistency of sand. And there you go. Now, all I would do is all of that and store it, and this will store up to a month. So any last minute cakes, you can pull it out and use it for sand for that. And it's not as sweet as using sugar or other alternatives. Hopefully we've done that under 2 minutes. Hope you've enjoyed this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Please join us next time for lots of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.